Welcome to part 2 of the Peptide log series. In this tutorial series, you will learn about all the features of this app and how to use them. First off, you can find all these tutorials in the settings if you want to access them later. This video will guide you through the inventory. If you don't plan on using it, you can skip ahead to the next video where the dashboard and injection plans will be explained. You can go to the inventory screen by pressing the inventory button. This page is divided into 3 sections: peptide definitions, pens, and batches. In peptide types, you can add custom peptides or selectively exclude peptides from the inventory system. For example, if you get a disposable pen for one peptide and use vials for another, you can configure it here. Now let's start with adding your first batch. You can do this by pressing Add a Batch or by using the plus symbol in the top right. Now you can give your batch an identifier like Rita April. The vials of that batch will be called Rita April 0.1, Rita April 0.2, etc. You now select the peptide type and the dosage per vial. Now you can select the quantity of vials within that batch. If you want to, you can also configure the expiration date, the default being 1 year from now, and add supplier details and other notes if you want to. If you're done, press Save. Now you have created your first batch. Well done. If you want to reconstitute a vial now, just click on one. Here you can see the details of the vial. In the Actions menu, you can now reconstitute your vial. Click on it. Now you need to enter the amount of BAC water with which you want to reconstitute it. Press Save once you've typed it in. Now you can see all the details of the reconstituted vial, like the expiry date, the amount of BAC water added, as well as the concentration. If you are using a reusable pen, you can now fill it here by pressing the Fill Pen button. Since you don't already have a pen, you can create a new one here. Press Fill once you're done. Now you can see that a new cartridge is filled with the content from the vial that is in our newly created pen. You can also see that the vial is now empty. If you click on this cartridge, you can see all the details of the pen and the inserted cartridge. But let's go back to the inventory now. You can now see that a new pen appeared loaded with our cartridge. Congratulations! You now understand the basics of the inventory system. While not every detail was covered, feel free to explore it a bit. In the next video, we will cover the dashboard.